Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Irina. Before we get started, remember to like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment. And it's been a long time since you guys seen me. You know, it's been just little videos here and there, but I'm gonna get to it. I had a long month, 2 months of preparing, packing up. I moved to a new apartment, downsized from a 3 to a 1 bedroom. And I'm in my little kitchen, which is the only section I'm going to show you guys right now because I didn't get to. My apartment is scattered, boxes everywhere, stuff, a bunch of stuff everywhere. So it's the only section that I really got together, and I'm in a little table, so it's where the camera's like propped on one of my tripods. So this is why you got this angle. It's weird. And so to come back, I got something new I've never had in my videos, which is the LED UV Zuru Mini Brands minis filled with fridge, exclusive creative mini included. And they have like little light up stuff and a real open stuff that real opens up, and magnets and stuff. They have also a collection to hold magic. It's called a whole magic kitchen, and this is cute. It's the first time I have this in my videos, and so I'm gonna open it up. Let's see. So, of course, little kitty crying in the background. Ooh. Wow. It's really cute. Before I go, I had to do that. I miss doing that. It's been a while, like I said, it's been a while. Hmm. Ow! I felt like something bit me. I think mosquito. Battery operated. I see some stuff here. First time, first one, guys. My own first item. Back from moving and whatnot. None of this to move things out of one apartment we lived in for like 10 years. Look how cute. The side. So the back. This is why it says maybe battery operated, because it has these little things. And this says this here. Oh, and it has a button. So it is battery operated. So it's gotta be. So does this come out? I don't know. Let's see. Let me not mess with it because I don't know if that's supposed to open. But let's see. Oh, look at these. Look at these. Look at these. Oh my This is so cool. What? And we already got packages going out. Got two. And the list. Oh, which I'm gonna go through in a minute. Oh no, I guess that's the instructions. I guess, yeah, these are the instructions. Look, and I got a tray on the bottom tray of the refrigerator. And then it has a little booklet. Suki. Let's put this one here. Oh, I could put it anywhere. I could put it up here too. If it could slide in. Nah, I think this one goes on the bottom. It's the bottom piece and that's it. So let's close it. Let's see the bottom. What? Let's see. Oh wow, wait, the little drawers. Oh wow. You know what's, have you ever seen those retro videos of refrigerators? Oh, awesome. I would love to have one of these retro ones. They got so many different compartments. I feel cheated. Like I missed out on something. Because they have cool ones with a lot of compartments. You got one with just shelves and refrigerator shelves and that's it. Other ones had like 8 compartments. We probably get looking at like the flip corner with a little cheese. You put a little compartment in. That's probably get lucky like that. Look how many shelves it has. Like big shelves. It's so cute. And they move. Oh, I guess I'm supposed to pull this little tag here, but I'll wait until later and see what it says in the instructions. So far, so good. What you guys think? Say how you be. So, okay. I'm gonna go, let me see the instructions. Let me leave the instructions for last. I'm gonna go to the booklet first. Mini brand minis fridge. Okay, fill fridge. I'm gonna show you how many things, like ice cubes, eggs, can go in the egg trays. It's a whole refrigerator. You see little egg trays on the side, and it says UV up on the top. It gives you instructions. Includes. It includes something, a beverage, a meat, a fruit, and maybe utensils. And this is the items. See the fridge, the stove, the counter, an oven. It's like has different appliances, even a sink. And then back here it gives you, oh, it has, so it has UV because it has here, if you want to create like a dish. And that's the final. So let's see how much time I have on my phone, because let's go. I'm gonna start with the little one. I don't have any minutes. Okay, let me make sure. Oh, I gotta make sure, because look, I almost messed up one thing here. I got a fruit. I got a magnet, a watermelon magnet. So it's okay, I'm seeing. In this little package, we have an Olipop strawberry vanilla. The soda can. Sorry. The soda cans. I'll put it right here. And like the scoop that it said. So it does tell you in the package what's in it. Isn't that cool? see what's in the middle package. Let's be careful because I don't want to. Oh, this is, I guess this is the. This is the mold, yeah. It's a mold of the cake. I guess it's the dome of the. What do you call those? Tongue. Wait a second. Just be careful here. And see little stuff. So far, I'm liking this. Wait. And okay, let's see. The bowl plate. Get a little plate. And then we got, I think, look like orange slices. 3 little orange slices. Let's see if I can hold it without, because I don't want to lose it. It's so little. Oh, let's see. I cut tiny there. So it's 3 of them. The little orange ones. Put them on the plate so we can see them there. And this is, I guess, the mini brand, what it says? Jelly glue. It's a jelly glue. Jelly glue. Alright. Okay, that's all in that one. I'll pick it up later. I'll pick it up later. I'll pick it up later. Hey. I gotta be cute today. Ooh, pick it up later. Let's see what's in here. I feel another mold. So, several molds here. It's cool. Good to create. Oh, what is this? What is this? What is this? Let me make sure there's nothing in it. Nothing in it, people. Nothing in it. And this is what it came. So, I guess these pieces go in the refrigerator. Yes, they go in the fridge. They're the pieces to the refrigerator. It says there's supposed to be like a piece of meat. I gotta go through the little wrappers. Hold on. Hold it. Pause it. I'm back. I thought it was missing something, but apparently no. I have everything. Let's look at the instruction very well because, you know, I'm just breezing by these instructions. So there is a UV within this refrigerator. And the switch is back here, so you turn this down. There's a UV there. Isn't that cool? Wow. wonder why they made it like this. So put that in there. Got shells. So let's put the bottom one. The one in the middle. And where's the other one? This one. And the top one. Okay, and then we have, I guess, the sides, the egg holder, and and the bottom one should go here. Okay, and then I guess this one goes here. Enough as a snap. And then the last one, the top one, will be the eggs. Oops, wrong way. Ah! Hold on, I dropped it. I'm always dropping something. Always. Always dropping something. Oh, I can't find it. Where'd it go? Right here. Where'd it go? Guess that's how it's supposed to look. All the pieces here, pieces here. Really cute. All right. So the other one is I gotta pour, I guess, this in here. So I'm gonna be facing the camera down to the table so you can see what I'm doing. Let's see if I can. Let's see if this. It says in a, like a stand-up tripod, and see if I can lower it down so you can see what I'm doing. I think it's this one I gotta move. Hold on, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. So I lowered it down so now you can see in this angle. Here. So this one is, I guess I gotta pour everything in here. Okay, that says here that I have the time, okay, to pour all that in here. The 3 fruits inside of it. Ooh. Let's see. put in the UV light so I'll be able to put it in. So I'm gonna put it in the UV light so I can be able to set the other ones on top in a minute. So they'll be able to look like they're floating. So let's put that one really up there. Okay. Hold on. See that? I told you guys, clumsy. Such a klutz. Wow. I'll pick that up in a minute. I don't know what fell, but I'll pick it up. So, I'm gonna put that there. I'm such a klutz. Trying to put it dead in the middle so that way it can cover everything. Close it up. The light on. Let me see what fell. Because I think it's the top to this that fell. I dropped the tongue. I got the 3 little orange slices and a soda. So my thing is, the reason why I'm questioning the light is because if I have to resin things, I will have to remove all the items from inside. You understand what I'm saying? Hold on, I dropped the little tongues. Alright, I found it. What's this? I didn't lift the little cap yet, but I'll get it in a minute if anything's left. Okay. I don't want it thoroughly cured. I want it cured enough to where I can place the little items and they float. Yep, it's still soft and gooey. So now I place these little orange slices in here. I'm just gonna pour them in there because due to my nails, as you can see, I did my nails. I did them all nice and long. So I'm gonna place them on top with my nail instead of the tongue. I'm gonna place them, face them the right way. Let me see, I gotta flip this one over. Let me get them away from the, I want to center it so the gel can center it like it's on. I'm trying to centerize it so that way so that I have the sides. Good too. Okay. I centered it. It took me a little minute, but I centered it. Can't see it right now. I'll show you after I pop it out. And then we're gonna pour the rest of it. I should have left it dangling because now it's gonna take its time coming down. And my minutes are coming close. And I want to be able to show you guys the results. I should have moved the, so now these will come in handy, the little tongues they give you. So that way, let's move it away from the edge because the liquid pushed it back a little bit. making sure there's no bubbles. Is where you wanna. So I guess it's supposed to be like a gelatin. Now finish the top. I'm going to hold it upside down for now, make sure that it's not pouring out. I am going to gel it up a little bit more and then pour the rest. It's just to hold the pieces in there. See? I mean, the reason why I put it in the light is because I see bubbles. And that's good to see these things when you're doing that. I see bubbles. And gelatin, there's no bubbles. So let's see if I get a little pinch in there. Because I know in resin you use the torch, but this is rubber. I don't know if you can use a torch on rubber. So I am popping bubbles. See anything else? It's like little bubbles. Because of the little orange peels. So let me push them. Right. I'm going to put it in here and let it cure a little bit, and then I'll pour the rest. So I'm doing little by little. So it come out. Hopefully you can see it. I don't think so, because I don't see it when you put in the light. So let me see if I can flip it over. Okay, I did it. Popped all the bubbles. It's like a rubber base. It's not resin, but it feels like resin. I think it is. 2 UV resin. But like I said, well, I will have to put my UV thing, which is, I wouldn't mind, but I think I fixed it. I want it to look a little different. I should have put 2 in there and then just put the little one on top. But it wouldn't look like a gelatin. But to me, if it had a little bit more orange ones, little pieces, would have been much better. It says, does it tell you how long it's supposed to be cured? So I will have to come back for a few. Okay, let me come back. Hold on. I'm back. I'm going to take the piece out and put the rest of the resin because I'm running out of minutes and I want to do the final. So I'm going to pause it while I do that, and then I'll get back to you. Hi guys, yeah, I'm back after 30 minutes. Yeah, it said to wait 30 minutes, so I had to wait for 30 minutes. So it's been 30 minutes. I'm going to turn off the light. Open this up. It is hard. refrigerator. Remember your mom used to tell you don't leave the refrigerator because the penguins ain't coming out? Or some type of phrase. I think my mom used to tell me, your daddy ain't the electric. Your daddy is not the electric. It ain't Con Edison. Daddy don't work for Con Edison. Okay, it's coming out. It came out. It feels a little sticky still. I guess I'll pop it back in with the plate, and you'll be like the bottom. My nails don't let you see it. But that is so cute. But I'm gonna pop it back in for a little bit. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna take it out, turn it off. See if it's nice and firm now. I give it like another 15 minutes. Yep, now it's nice and hard. Firm. It's not gooey, sticky. I got a little orange gelatin. Put it in the plate. Little dome on it. Let's put it in here. Bang. Right there. Scoop in there. I'm gonna put the